Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a PREPOO DEY tips. So first of all, as you can see in the beginning, I had in boiling water in the fire, and I already shot my okra. So I went ahead and I take 1 cup of okra, which you see in a measuring cup. I was pouring in the pot. So I went ahead and poured the okra in my boiling water. Now I will just go ahead and turn it a little bit and wait for the okra to boil, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Then it's ready to use for my PREPOO. Did you see how the okra is like popping up? So you're gonna try to turn it. If not, it will just pour out from the pot. We don't want that. Did you see what I mean? So I will leave it a little bit, maybe 3 seconds. Then it's ready to use. So now I'm gonna pour it on my strainer to take out the juice, because that is what I really want. I will strain all the okra juice out of the okra. After all the juice is out, I will go ahead and add some of my favorite oil. The first one I will be adding is coconut oil. Coconut oil adds shine to your hair. The next one will be grapeseed oil. I will add 1 tablespoon. Linseed oil, 1 tablespoon. Avocado oil, 1 tablespoon. This is castor oil. I will also add 1 tablespoon. The last but not the least, my aloe vera oil. Well, I made that myself at home, okay? That is homemade aloe vera oil. So I will turn it together. I will mix it together. Now we go ahead and pour it in my PREPOO bottle. To make it easy, you need some funnel. Just little one, or if you have big one, you can also go ahead and use it. You see, it is done. Now let's go and PREPOO. So here I am. As you can see, I will go ahead and put some apron in my neck, because this is really messy. You know, when you PREPOO, it is really messy. Just put something in my neck. Then I will part my hair into 4, section my hair into 4. Then I will start PREPOO. Trust me, this is a life changer. Seriously. I'm just gonna start PREPOO. I'm not going to waste time at all, because I just want to do this. I just unravel my twist. By the way, my wash and go is 2 weeks and few days now. I just went ahead and unravel my twist. Did you see I still have some coils in my hair? My hair is so kinky, seriously. I didn't finger the tangle. I didn't do anything to my hair. I just unraveled the twist. I just went ahead and start PREPOO. Okra is really nice to PREPOO your hair. If you haven't tried it, please do give it a try. It is really, really nice. So I will go ahead and just massage it all over my hair from the root to the ends of my hair. Do you see how easy it is? It is so easy to walk through, seriously. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, by the way, you are highly welcome. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also turn your notification bell because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. For my new subscribers, thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys for supporting me, and welcome to the family. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for all your support, your love, your comment. I do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and welcome back. Have you tried OKRA? Let me know if you have tried it, and how did your hair feel like? Did your hair like it, or you haven't tried it? Would you like to give it a try? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, I'm gonna leave it with you. Please do watch the video to the end and enjoy watching it. Share with your friends and family, and I will see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye.